Pressed it?
Yeah.
Should say record now or something.
You were filling your face, mate, didn't you? Mate, how much have you given him?
Quite a bit. How long is it?
He must be, he's asking for more.
Right.
Right. He's going to be a spoilt bird.
He really is.
Yeah,
Is he?
he's going to have to fly away. Don't give him any more after that.
You can
You
take
better hide him.
You can take that with you. He's eating.
You look like Long John Silver, only without a parrot, with a bird and with a crow instead.
Can I have one?
Well, he's certainly having a belly full. Do you think that's going in his crop, or
I don't know.
they have got crops, haven't they?
No idea.
I had a feeling he was going to do that, you know. Go on your head.
Well, thank
He's
you.
cleaning his
Ouch.
beak on it.
Bite my ear off. Yeah.
Do you know what he's doing now? He's cleaning his beak on your head.
Yes, I know. I felt it.
On again, on again. Yeah, well, I think it's clean now, mate.
Right. Finished, have you?
Enough is enough. Time to go.
I feel ridiculous.
Yeah, it looks ridiculous a
Ouch.
bit.
Right, you can stop that
You
when
have
you
to
like.
laugh.
You can stop that when you like. Come on, finish these off.
You haven't got much hair as it is.
Pecking my head.
Enough is enough, mate. Look, loads of food on the bird table. Get up there. You're lucky you didn't crap on your head.
That's what I was waiting for.
What's he doing now? What's that there? I'm just having a look what that is.
that's
It's all
nothing.
right. He's looked at the spike. He looks a bit worse for wear, mind, doesn't he?
That's enough.